There's no doubt that if there's a way to fuck up a weight loss YouTube channel, I'm doing an amazing job at it. I've cheated, I've binged, I think of quitting every hour of the day. I suggest not subscribing or unsubscribing if you can't bear to see failure in real time right in front of your eyes. Last week I was like, you know what, I'm quitting, and I got all dramatic. Then I pulled myself out of the dumpster, and for about a day I was like, yeah, I got this. We got this, right? Then it's been a shit show since. The train has left the station. The wagon is nowhere in sight. I started officially 4 weeks ago, and on my first week, I lost 10.1 pounds. Then my second week, I didn't lose any weight. Then last week for my week 3 weigh-in, I went up 1.2 pounds. And today, week 4 weigh-in, 1 month into my weight loss journey, I weigh 246.7 pounds. So I went up 2.1 pounds from my first week weigh-in. So what happened this week? Well, remember the Van 94 5-step plan? That went out the door. I linked the video in the description below that goes into the full details of the 5-step plan. Okay, so real quick, the 5 steps. 1, nutrition. 2, exercise. 3, sleep. 4, the mind. And 5, have fun and discover. So how did I mess up week 4? Well, let's see. Step 1, nutrition. I went out to eat 5 days of the last 7 days. And the sad part, I can't even remember what I ate because it's all a blur. Even sadder, see this? I don't even really like Twix. Twix comes with 2 chocolate caramel sticks in each pack. I said, okay, just 1. And 1 for later. And guess what? I had 2 of them chocolate devil sticks right before shooting this video that you're watching right now. Step number 2, exercise. I walked 5 days this week, but ended up tweaking my left middle toe. So basically my toe was giving me the middle finger. And on top of all of that, I'm a little gimpy, and so I'm waiting for the next 1 or 2 days before I can walk my usual 45 minutes. And step 3, sleep. I use a sleep tracker, and my 3-day sleep target is in the red zone at 64% under target. I've been binging on Netflix, Hulu, YouTube, and Prime. So yeah, watching Survivor and Amazing Race in the middle of the night is socking it to me. Step 4, the mind. I've been struggling all week, having self-talks to myself that I gotta get back on the wagon. But man, I can't find that red wagon. I know what I'm supposed to do, and I know my food addiction is in full force. I even stopped journaling on Monday because I just didn't want to, and I procrastinated. Wish I had a better excuse. And step number 5, fun. I didn't have much fun this week. I spent most of it dealing with work and family-related stuff. I even went to the DMV, and that's about it. So for fun, I went out to restaurants to eat. So yeah, I found my fun in food. Okay, so where do I go from here? Where do we go from here? For me, I need to dig deeper and evaluate why I'm back to eating bad foods. I know that part of it is coming back from my Winnipeg, Canada vacation. That really put a wrench in my step 1 through 5. I've decided that I'm not going to beat myself up anymore and start all over on Monday. I talked to my friend Mikey down in Atlanta, hey Mike, who is doing this with me, and we both pretty much messed up. So we are stepping away, and starting Monday, we are back on the program. Where do we, you and I, go from here? You can unsubscribe or help me. Some words of encouragement or advice in the comment box below would be awesome. If you want me to keep going, please like and subscribe. I truly hope that you can do it, reach your goal, because I need inspiration. We have to stick with each other and know that if we keep trying, it will happen. I know I'm not a weight loss coach or guru. I know that I've been messing up, but honestly, even though my last 2 videos seemed dreary and negative, I'm super happy and doing this with you. I know I'm fucking up right now, but I'm so glad I started it, and this is a challenge that I welcome. My journey to losing 94 pounds doesn't have a time limit, but I hope to lose 94 pounds in 16 months. Do you think it's possible? What are you currently doing for your weight loss journey? Who's supporting you? Let's keep things rolling. I'm not quitting, and no, you aren't quitting. You can do this. We can do this. Come on now. Say it. I can do it. I'm working on a couple videos right now on my hydroponic indoor garden, my new road bike, and audio music system, which are part of my step number 5 of having fun. I will be posting them soon, so please subscribe, like, comment, and hit the notification bell. See you next week. Also, don't forget to see my latest shorts.